Looking for an incredible deal? Check out this 2012 Kia Forte EX with only 16,000 miles. It's a one-owner vehicle with a complete dealer service history, up-to-date Georgia state emissions, and recent service valued at over $300. This car is a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, you'll have the option to add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, in addition to the advertised price. And don't forget to ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale for even greater protection. Recent services include a pre-delivery inspection, air filter, and cabin air filter replacement. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure your peace of mind. We know that buying a car is a big decision, and we want to make sure you're completely confident in your purchase. Please note that any price reductions or discounts will void this car being sold as a certified pre-owned unit with a warranty and 5-year service plan. However, you can still upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. Take advantage of this low mileage, well-maintained 2012 Kia Forte today.